Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh, I have created a Maven project, Java using Maven project, and it is useful for daily life user. Like you can easily edit or convert your PDF file into document format. How did I build this? First question is this: I have used Java as a main programming language to handle the core functionality like these things. I have used Maven for the dependency part. I have added so much dependencies in it, you can see, and I also have used Python language for importing a module and using it. It is a module called PDF to docs. I'm importing it and using it, and it's a real life example of using two programming languages and communicating with them. You can see it. I integrated Python to handle the actual conversion, which ensures that the formatting alignment are preserved during the transition from PDF to docs. This tool is to ensure this tool is perfect for anyone who needs to edit or repurpose content from a PDF. Now let's jump in the code and see how it works. Uh, I am using it in Eclipse IDE. You can use it in any IDE called IntelliJ IDEA or anything. Here you can see example.pdf file is there. I will show you that file. Here no one file is there, and it is a PDF file. You can see text are visible. Okay, na? I will convert it into after successful compilation. It will run conversion completed with exit code 0. Okay, you can see. I think it is create output.docs. Okay, I will show you that thing also. It is created at this time only. You can see here. You can see, and I can edit. I can save. Okay, for this, it is working fine. The links are also preserved. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you find this project useful as I do. You can see complete code, and I hope I will give, and I will make sure that I will give you this project GitHub link on your YouTube.